In this video, we'll be looking at future value. On your screen, you have an interest rate of 10%. Think of it as interest rate the bank is paying you for your savings account. Periods is the number of years that you actually fix your money with the bank. In this particular case, it's 5 years. Payment is the money that you might be paying towards your savings account each month. In this particular case, it's $500. And present value is the money that you have actually started, or the initial amount that you put in your deposit account. And the question that you want to ask yourself here is, so if I have $200,000, I put it in the bank, I make contributions of $500 every month, and the bank is going to be paying me 10% interest annually. How much would I have after 5 years? Now this can be done very easily in Excel. All you need to do is click in B8 equals FV, future value function that Excel has provided. Open parentheses. The first argument is rate. This is the annual interest rate that we need to convert to monthly interest rate, because interest is compounded monthly in this particular case. So to do that, we have to divide the interest rate, which is in B3, divided by the number of months in a year, comma, NPER is the number of periods, that is 5 times 12, so 5 years, and each year has 12 months, comma. The payment argument is the payment that you will be making each period, or in other words, each month. That is, for us, that is in B5, comma. The present value is the amount at time 0, or the time that you start this investment. In other words, this would be the amount that you initially start your deposit account with. For us, the amount will be in B6, comma. The last argument is type. Now basically this argument is asking us whether the payment is timed at the end of the period or start of the period. For us, it's going to be beginning of the period, and for most investments, it's going to be beginning of the period. And note that this is an optional argument in Excel, so if you don't type it in, it will automatically pick the norm, which is beginning of the period. But for sake of clarity, I will put in 1, close the parentheses, and hit enter. So after 5 years, you'll have a total of 368K.